If you're going to spend money on food, at least make it the best food you can get, right, Aluxer? Look, we know you're not supposed to debate anyone's taste and that enjoying food is a subjective experience. But when the Michelin Guide, Wall Street Journal, and the world's 50 Best Restaurant Awards all agree, then it must be good. For today's video, we went through the latest restaurant guides and put together a list with 10 of the best restaurants you can experience around the world. If you aren't hungry, you will be. Let's go. Number 10. The Chairman, Hong Kong. The Chairman is a Cantonese restaurant in the Hong Kong area and the only Chinese restaurant to be featured in the 2021 World's Best Restaurant Awards, priding itself with 1 Michelin star. With high respect for organic ingredients bought from local suppliers, the kitchen team is led by chef Kuok Kyung-sung to create the most elegant dishes. Think steamed crab, crispy chicken stuffed with shrimp, and the freshest soy sauce to bring together all the different flavors on your palate. The service is, of course, impressive, and the overall experience will surely stay with you for a long time. And pro tip, if you're feeling adventurous, make sure you ask for the daily specials instead of ordering off the menu. You won't regret it. Number 9. Pujol, Mexico City, Mexico. Traveling to the other side of the globe, we're landing in Mexico City for our number 9 spot. Named by Wall Street Journal as the best restaurant in Mexico City, Pujol's kitchen is run by Chef Enrique Olvera, serving up refined and elegant Mexican cuisine. The concept of the restaurant is built around indigenous ingredients found in the country, along with traditional cooking techniques as tribute to Mexico's rich culinary history. If you're choosing to eat at Pujol, you're served with a varied 7-course tasting menu that changes seasonally. However, you'll always receive the chef's signature mole madre, mole nuevo, a traditional Mexican recipe, and baby corn with chicatana and mayonnaise as the restaurant's permanent dishes on the menu. Yes, you heard that right. Chicatana and mayonnaise. Feeling adventurous? Number 8. Odette, Singapore. Next on to Singapore for Southeast Asia's finest restaurant, Odette. Internationally acclaimed with 3 Michelin stars to its name, this restaurant is definitely worth a special journey. Marucchio uni with prawn tartare, mussel cloud and crystal caviar, and signature rosemary smoked egg with smoked potato siphon and chorizo will surely make the trip worthwhile, especially when every little detail is taken care of. Imagine yourself eating in a muted pink and gray setting with a live piano playing in the background. The food has French influences, with produce being personally sourced from specialists in France, but you'll find a lot of Asian dishes as well, especially Japanese items. Number 7. Maido, Lima, Peru. Life is a movement. Nothing is static or absolute. No one is. We are all in a state of constant flux, just like the Earth. These are the words welcoming you to Maido's restaurant's website when you're trying to book a seat. With this philosophy on display, you can only imagine the dedication they show to their dishes. This fusion of Latin American and Japanese cuisines is predominantly fish-focused, thanks to its owner, Mitsuharu Sumura, who gathered experience both in the USA and Osaka, Japan. Word has it, the menu's beef cheek is an experience you don't want to miss. And speaking of experiences, Maido's dining room is an artistic experience on its own, with thick ropes cascading from the ceiling hanging low over tables. Number 6. Frantzén, Stockholm, Sweden. Frantzén is a Swedish restaurant with Asian influences, which is pretty unique in and of itself. The restaurant is one of the first globally to create an immersive setting for its guests. Before enjoying some seriously futuristic and delicious dishes, those visiting are taken on a tour of the beautiful property around the multi-story townhouse hosting the restaurant. But what's so futuristic about the menu, you ask? Well, Frantzén's food marries classic and modern cooking techniques from both Nordic and Asian cuisines in a one-menu option for lunch and dinner featuring scallop, blue lobster, quail barbecued with green peas, or maitake and Japanese mustard. Number 5. Disfrutar, Barcelona, Spain. Disfrutar, or enjoy if we were to translate its name, is one of the most delicious and surprising culinary experiences in the world. There's no other restaurant that pushes the boundaries of gastronomy the way the chef team of Oriol Castro, Mateo Casañas, and Eduard Satruch do. The Michelin Guide praises the restaurant's high technical skill and good taste, alongside its contemporary space with an open-view kitchen, awarding it with 2 Michelin stars. If you're making a culinary detour while visiting Gaudi City, you'll be able to enjoy dishes such as delicious, fluffy buns stuffed with caviar, eel, and the best wine to tie the flavors together. Looking for more inspiration for your gastronomic travels? Take a look at the world's most expensive restaurants by clicking in the top right corner. Number 4. Central, Lima, Peru. Another entry from Lima, Peru, Restaurant Central, is a celebration of the unique landscapes and history of the country by using locally sourced ingredients and traditional techniques. Chefs Virgilio Martinez and Pia Leon run the show, and actually they got married just 4 days before the restaurant first landed on the world's 50 best restaurants list in 2013. Central offers fine dishes created from the best resources the land and sea have to offer, from pork belly and goat's neck to scallops, squid, and clams. Each dish is an experience. And besides the quality food and atmosphere, this chef pairing goes to great lengths to ensure the restaurant is sustainable, with no food or resource going to waste. Number 3. Asador Etxebarri, Axtondo, Spain. We've reached the podium, and our first entry is another restaurant from Spain you might think is rustic and simple, but actually it's a diamond. Asador Etxebarri. With a jaw-dropping view over mountains and hosted in the same rustic stone building since the 1990s, Asador Etxebarri deserves its spot among the top 3 best of the best restaurants in the world. If you think grilled meat with simple seasoning is not something worth getting, well, think again. Chef Victor Archizoni's superpower is being able to grill virtually anything and bring out incredible flavors from what seem like simple ingredients. The facility has 6 adjustable grills, and they're even preparing their coal in-house from carefully chosen wood to pair with specific types of meat that they're grilling. Talk about attention to detail. Number 2. Geranium, Copenhagen, Denmark. Housed on the 8th floor of the National Football Stadium in Copenhagen, Geranium takes silver in our 2021 Best Restaurants top list. It's been awarded 3 Michelin stars, and curators of the world's 50 best list said Chef Rasmus Kofo is arguably the best at applying beauty to food. With incredible panoramic park views, you'll be able to witness the changes in season as your palate experiences seasonal changes to the tasting menu. To pair with this incredible tasting menu, you'll also have the option to enjoy designer drinks by the restaurant's co-owner Soren Liu. Pro tip: make sure you ask for a tour of the kitchen. You won't regret it. Number 1. Noma, Copenhagen, Denmark. Here we are, Aluxers, we made it to number 1. With a partial sweep of the podium, another entry from Denmark, we're seeing Noma as the top choice for 2021's Best Restaurant. Noma offers 3 different menus throughout the year and is best known for its new Nordic cuisine that keeps inspiring generations of chefs across the world. The restaurant was named the best in the world between 2010 and 2012, then again in 2014 before it closed in 2016. It reopened in 2018 and it's back where it belongs, wowing diners with endlessly innovative menus. Just to name a few of the previous season's highlights, the restaurant served vegetarian celeriac shawarma, sweet crab meat, and a duck dish with claws, feathers, and the beak that people absolutely loved. And Aluxers, that's it for today. We hope you took notes and were inspired for your next culinary trip across the globe. But before you go, tell us, Aluxer, what was the most phenomenal dish you've ever had? Let us know in the comments section below. And because you made it this far, let's see what the bonus brings you today. Ita Restaurant, Maldives. Built almost 5 meters below sea level in the Maldives, Ita, Mother of Pearl, is one restaurant you won't want to miss in the Indian Ocean. Listed as one of the best culinary experiences in the world, Ita will provide you with an unforgettable experience, but you need to book in advance. The restaurant only allows a maximum of 14 guests at a time. Amazing views and impressive food and service. What else do you need? Thanks for spending some time with us today, Aluxer. We're so glad you did. Please give us a like if you enjoyed today's video, hit the bell icon to never miss an upload, and don't forget to subscribe.